KEPSA is the umbrella body of all these small businesses put together. So it's a very important conference for people like us to come here and listen to our own people, to see the small business people, what they are doing, what are their challenges, and from here we know what policies we should come out with, what framework, legal framework we should have. So that's why we had a very important meeting here. But as a government, we have tried our best, and I appreciate that His Excellency the President was able to establish a state department in charge of SMEs, because MSMEs, 90% of our business are in that sector. And of course we have taken MSME as one of the pillars of economic transformation yet. Nyota and KJET projects, which we are hopeful that the President will launch in August this year, is a transformative youth program that we need to engage our youth, and we are hopeful that in 3 years we will have actively engaged 800 to 1 million youths in various activities within our economic ecosystem.
Our intention is to scale the SME through an enabling environment, capacity building them, and access to finance and access to markets. We have a project that we do with MasterCard Foundation that is called the Jinwe program, and we have heavily trained the SME and given them access to markets. And today we have brought different financial partners who we are looking forward to work with so that we can give the SME access to money so that they can be able to do their businesses, and then through trade missions and other activities that we do as KEPSA, we are unlock market for them.
As Equity Bank, we are a bank built by SMEs, and would want to scale that level for our SMEs so that we unlock true value of what our SMEs do have. When we compare our markets with OECD markets, there's a good opportunity for our SMEs to unlock value, particularly through manufacturing, which is a debate we had this morning of how then do we transform a number of our SMEs from being pure traders or doing low value business to scale them to a level where they're able to do high quality manufacturing business, but also unlock where do we trade at, and that we are, as Equity, we are big proponents of Africa Continental Free Trade Area, and would want to unlock the Africa market.